Get like a $10 or well, that's the finishing I ever seen. Once it's done. See, this one came with this rail that you can mount on. But I put these different sights on these fiber optics because I figured if shit goes down, I'm out in the field. I don't have a battery anymore. Take them off. I still got standard sights, you know. And then these stock grips suck. They're underneath it here, and it feels like that in your hand, like it's too small. Yeah. I like a real thick grip. So these, just drill it, and then you tap these into there, and they're 1911 grips that fit onto it. Work pretty good. Alright, let's see what I got. I don't see much of any movement. Maybe it was that one. So let's go for this guy here. Let me try a bunch of turns. Alright, now let's see. Getting better. It's hard to tell because the gun jumps, you know? Yeah. That's after it fires. That one? That one was there before. Or was it that one? Damn, what the fuck?
Put it on this target here.
I'll use, huh?
Yeah, target on the right doesn't have much holes in it.
Oh, the one to the right side?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because that's down almost all the way, it feels like to me. Well, no, let me see. Alright. I'll aim where it looks like a clear spot. That cockroach to the upper right near the top.
Alright.
Low. I went too far. Okay.
It looks a little closer.
Getting better.